Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WooCommerce Storefront theme footer. This is a great way to personalize your online store and add important information like social media links, contact details, or custom navigation menus that appear at the bottom of every page. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store so you can access all the customization features you'll need. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. From there, click on Appearance. This option is your gateway to controlling how your website looks and feels. When you click on it, an expanded menu will appear with several additional options. From these expanded options, select Editor. This tool gives you direct access to your site's design elements and allows you to make real-time changes to your store's appearance. Once you click on Editor, you'll be directed to your Page Designer interface. This is where the magic happens. On the left navigation menu, you'll see an option labeled Pages. Click on that to view all the pages available on your site. Now look for your store page since that's where we want to customize the theme footer. Once you've located it, click on Edit to open it up for customization. After the page loads, direct your attention to the top left part of your screen where you'll find the Document Overview button. Click on this button and it will bring up a detailed view of all the element content on your page. This overview is incredibly helpful because it lets you navigate through different sections without scrolling through the entire page. From this overview, locate the footer section and click on it. The footer will then expand, revealing all the customization options available for that area. Within the footer, you'll notice it's divided into columns. Each column can be customized individually to suit your needs. To add new elements to any column, click on the Add Block button located at the top left part of your screen. It's represented by a plus icon, making it easy to spot. When you click it, you'll see a variety of elements you can add, such as text blocks, images, buttons, social media icons, and more. Choose the elements that best fit your store's branding and the information you want to display in your footer. Take your time here to arrange everything exactly how you want it to look, since this footer will appear across all your store pages. Once you're satisfied with how your footer looks and you've added all the necessary elements, it's time to save your work. Look to the top right part of your screen and click on the Save button. This will apply all your customizations and make them live on your store. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your WooCommerce Storefront theme footer to better reflect your brand and provide useful information to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.